guys! So I'm in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia right now. We're currently staying in Sofitel Hotel. Unfortunately guys, I won't be vlogging about Kuala Lumpur or exploring some places here in Malaysia due to the coronavirus issue which is happening around the world, not just in Malaysia. So I've decided just to stay here in the hotel room for the meantime. Since I'll be going back to the Philippines soon, I need to stay healthy. I know my immune system is not as strong, so I have to do some sacrifices. But for the meantime, I'll be touring around in my hotel room, so at least you would know how Sofitel Kuala Lumpur hotel room looks like. And I hope to visit Kuala Lumpur for the second time around with you and start vlogging about it. So that's it. Tikman na natin yung binili kong dinner dun sa mall na katabi ng hotel. It cost 20 Malaysian ringgit. So, not bad. Malaki naman yung chicken. Quarter chicken with buttered rice and chicken juice. So, let's try it. Wait. Okay. So, here we go. Sabi nila, wag daw munang bumili ng food dito. Dapat yung mga instant na lang for the meeting para mas safer. Pero, hindi kaya ng tiyan ko. 20 Malaysian ringgit cost around 200 something. Almost 300 pesos. Philippine peso. Okay naman. Crap. May buto. Pero parang bitin yung kanin. For me. At pala bumili pa ako ng kanin. Anyways. Hindi ko malasahang butter chicken, pero okay din. Ito ko siya binili. Mas sa loob ng grocery store. Meron silang mga nabibilan ng mga cooked food. I'll see you guys soon.